Why, yes, 14 hours of straight rain. But at least the lightning is gone. And the wind has died down. And you hear the rain? This is actually one of the lighter periods of rain. It was way worse. 14 hours. My fire ring has about 3 inches of water all around it. So I guess that won't be used for fire until it dries out a little bit. The way out of here goes through a mud puddle about 6 inches deep, about as long as the truck, and then up a rutted mud road uphill around a bend, and well, it's gonna be fun. I was planning originally of leaving Wednesday, early this morning. I decided I'm going to head out Sunday night if it doesn't stop, and I'm going to have to reevaluate that depending on the rain conditions, because another 24 hours of this and that road out might be impassable. Oh well.